Hello everyone, today is our day 5th of chapter Light for class 8th. Students, in the previous video we have discussed the topics spherical mirror, technical terms connected with spherical mirrors and convenient rays for the construction of image by ray diagram. In this video we will discuss the topics ray diagram for formation of image by a concave mirror and ray diagram for formation of image by a convex mirror. So let's start with the first topic, formation of image by a concave mirror. Students, we will consider at least two rays incident on the mirror for the ray diagram. Now let's discuss the first case when the object is at infinity. Students, infinity means far place. Example, sun. Rays of light coming from the sun, so they treated to be parallel to each other and incident on a concave mirror. After reflection from the mirror, they pass through the focus. Now let's discuss the features of the image. First of all, position of the image. Here you can see that the reflected rays meet at focus. So position of the image is at focus. Nature of the image is real and inverted. And size of the image is highly diminished. Now let's move closer to the mirror when the object is placed beyond center of curvature. Students, the ray which is parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through the focus, and the ray passing through the center of curvature retraces its path. So these rays after reflection meet at a point between center of curvature and the focus. Now let's discuss characteristics of the image. Here you can see that image is formed between center of curvature and the focus. This image is real because the rays are actually meeting after reflection and inverted, and the size of the image is diminished. Next case is when the object is placed at center of curvature. Students, the ray of light which is parallel to principal axis passes through the focus after reflection. The other ray passing through the focus after reflection emerges parallel to the principal axis. So these rays meet at the center of curvature after reflection. Students, the characteristics of the image is real and inverted. Position of the image is at center of curvature and size of the image is same as that of the object. Let's move closer to the mirror. When the object is placed between center of curvature and the focus, the ray which is parallel to principal axis passing through the focus and the ray which passing through the focus after reflection emerges parallel to the principal axis. So the reflected rays meet at a point beyond center of curvature, and the students, the image is real, inverted and magnified. When the object is at focus, the ray which is parallel to principal axis passes through the focus, and the ray which passes through the center of curvature retraces its path. The reflected rays are parallel to each other and would meet only at infinity. That is, the image is formed at infinity and it is real, inverted and enlarged. When the object is placed between pole and the focus, here we consider a ray of light which is parallel to the principal axis and the other ray which is passing through the center of curvature. The ray which is parallel to principal axis after reflection passes through the focus, and the other ray which is passing through the center of curvature retraces its path, and these rays appear to meet behind the mirror when the reflected rays are extended backwards. Hence, the image is virtual because the rays are not actually intersecting. Erect and magnified, and the position of the image is behind the mirror. Next topic is images formed by convex mirror. Students, first case is when the object is at infinity. Ray of light coming parallel to principal axis after reflection appear to coming from the principal focus. So the image is formed at focus behind the mirror. It is highly diminished, virtual image and the erect. Now the second case is when the object is between infinity and the pole. A ray of light coming parallel to principal axis after reflection appear coming from the focus, and the ray passing through the center of curvature after reflection retraces its path. Students, these rays are not actually intersecting, so extend them backwards to meet at a point. Where the two rays meet, that point gives the image of the object. You can see that the image is formed behind the mirror. The image is diminished, virtual and the erect. Students, when the object is placed anywhere between infinity and the pole, same kind of the image is obtained. So in case of convex mirror, we will discuss only two ray diagrams. This is all for today. Thank you.